Hey guys, this is Lisa with WTI, and today I want to show you my favorite bobby hairpins. I've been using Conair bobby hairpins for many years. They have never disappointed me. I love the fact that I can match the bobby pin according to my hair color. These are the black ones I chose, but they also have blonde and brown ones. I also like how they have a smooth coat, which allows me to have a very comfortable hold. They're not painful when you're putting them on, and they make you look so put together in very little time. I really like how these specially come with this clear compact case, which are great for traveling. They're great for you to bring to work and bring to special events when you know you need the little touch up on your hair every now and then. I love these and I would highly recommend these to anybody. So if you're looking for good, high quality, affordable bobby hairpins, definitely go for these here, but that's just my point of view.